Barcelona is a city that captivates the senses. Picture yourself standing before the Sagrada Familia, a breathtaking basilica that's been a work in progress for over 140 years. It's a testament to human creativity and ambition. Then, wander through Park Güell, where Gaudí's vibrant mosaics and whimsical structures make you feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. Next, stroll down La Rambla, the bustling heart of the city, alive with street performers and local vendors. It's the perfect place to soak in the lively atmosphere. Don't miss the Gothic Quarter, where narrow medieval streets whisper stories of the past, inviting you to discover hidden gems around every corner. Finally, unwind at Barceloneta Beach, where the sun, sea, and delicious seafood create the ultimate Mediterranean escape. Barcelona is a vibrant tapestry of art, history, and culture, waiting for you to explore its wonders. Don't forget to like and subscribe.